What's going on, guys? NC Bros Coasters. Austin here, back with another video. I'll be announcing something for the month of February that I'll be doing. I'll be uploading every day in the month of February. 28 days means 28 videos. We have some exciting things, most of all being going to Cedar Point on the 20th for winter chill out. We will be there. Also have a lot of other cool things planned out. So this video will be the POV of Tsunami, so I hope you enjoy it. Just get on the ride. And if you're new, drop a like, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of the posts during me uploading every day during February. So enjoy the video. Alright, time for ride. And got to the same 75 in Dayton's coaster, so I'm probably going to do a POV that way, so for you guys, alright. Yeah, this park's pretty cool. Got the back seat right here. Track right there. The light package on the sand is really cool. Yeah, the drop tower over there, putt. But yeah, I guess this was a new addition, as I showed from the map earlier, but let's get this ride on it. Back seat, so I guess this is a backwards reverse POV, but you do spin the whole time, so that's what that is. Alright, the gate is gone, and we're about to go on Tsunami. Here's the backwards POV. This is gonna be about to be really spinny. Nice view of Tsunami. Alright, here we go. Coaster credit number 75 at scene 75. Whoa. On I-75. Woo. Alright, that's one. Let's see how many times this goes. Going up the lift hill. Tsunami. I like that little dip right there. That's pretty fun. Nice view of the park right here. Whoa, that was so fun. I like that dip right there. That's the best part of the ride. The light package is so cool. Good view. Here's number 2. Here comes the best part, the dip. Whoa, so cool. Alright, I'm gonna go reverse POV for this one. Alright, my reaction. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh no. Little dip. Alright, here comes the big dip. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. That gives you a pretty good wind though. Alright. I think this is 3 or 4. Alright, here we go. 3 or 4. Okay, not too dizzy yet. Good view down there. Alright, here we go. Oh. Here we go. Wow, that was fun. I'll turn back this way for you. And that's the final ride. Had a ride time of 3 minutes and 12 seconds. So there's a POV of Tsunami in Dayton, Ohio for you. Really fun ride. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you are new, make sure you subscribe down below. Drop a like if you enjoyed this particular episode of Tsunami POV at Dayton and Scene 75. It was a great ride. I enjoyed it. And subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any more videos in the month of February. Have a lot of exciting things planned. Today is the 1st, so Cedar Point winter chill out's on the 20th. So got 19 days. Hope you guys Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.